Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we help you become more self-sufficient and even save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free and you can join the crew. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops. So what we're going to do today, this is a request from little Willie Roy. He would like us to do some yard art with one of these blow-up thingies. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the box, which is the toughest part. Make sure we arrange everything. It's Santa Claus. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is blow the little sucker up. Want to make sure that there's a zipper here, and we want to make sure that his zipper is closed for obvious reasons. So we're going to take this. This goes into a cool little power supply. Alright, so we've got this taken apart here, and it's laid out. We've got everything closed the way it should be, and now we have to plug in the power source. Now before I plug this in, you can see that two little deals in there, and I want to push these in and push it all the way in. Now once I've done that, you'll see there's a cap, as we can see it's threaded, so we're going to put that on there. That's going to keep it from coming apart, and also it's going to help keep any moisture out. So now we'll plug this into our outdoor extension cord. You can see he's starting to blow up. So the next thing we've got to do, once it gets blown up, you'll see there's two loops. And these loops we're going to put in the ground. You go through. And then as he comes up here, we'll just push these in the ground. Now, we've got to put on tethers. Now there's two of them. So I'll put one here. The other one the loop is in right under Santa's pit on his belt. So we're just going to go through. There's a little loop here that I accidentally tied shut. We're going to put that here and here. And we want to get it tight. Not too tight. We just don't want him to blow away. We'll get our loop here. Pull it tight. Now if wind comes around, he's going to be pretty stable. Now you have to leave it plugged in, because once you unplug it, it's going to start deflating it. So you might want to leave it down during the day, bring it up at night, or have it stand guard in your house all night. So thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman, and thank you, Willie Roy, for this suggestion. So join the Pirate Handyman, hit the subscription below, it's free, hit that ship's notification bell, and you'll be notified every time a new fun tip like this pops. Here's to smooth sailing.